Greetings. I've had a few problems. I was going to put a barbel video on the other day. I got 3 sessions filmed in different rivers, a few fish caught, and I keep all my video footage on a separate hard drive. Well, I went and plugged the hard drive in the other day and it didn't work. It's failed. So I've tried all sorts to recover it, but it's had it. So all that footage is gone. So I've got to start again. But anyway, I bought another hard drive. I've come to the tidal Trent, and what I'm going to do this afternoon, I've come from work basically. I'm going to use one of these SmartCast fish finders. I'm going to see if I can find a deeper area, and if I can find a deeper area, I'll put some bait in. I'll come back tomorrow afternoon when I finish work tomorrow afternoon and see if we can catch a barbel. I'll film the entire process. Anyway, I'll have a cast with this little fish finder and see if I can find a suitable spot. Okay, I found a spot. I'll show you in a minute. Show you it working. Just upstream of me, it's about 7-8 feet deep, a third of the way out. Here, it's 11 feet deep. Okay, so I'll just show you that. I'll fling it out, let the current trot it down, and I'll show you it. You can see there, it's reading that at 11 foot. Okay, there's a little thingy somewhere there it is. So, okay, so we found our spot where we fancy fishing. Now it's got a bait dropper, and I've got a kilo of boilies, and I'm going to bait dropper this whole kilo of boilies out into this spot. Now I'm a long way from where anyone else is fishing. It's about probably, I don't know, 20 minutes walk from my car, so it's quite out of the way, this swim. So the odds on someone being in it when I get here tomorrow afternoon are quite slim. If they are, there's nothing you can do. But anyway, we'll start dropping this out. I'll put it maybe a third of the way, a quarter of a third to a third of the way across. And I got 20 boilies at a time I'm going to put out. So it'll take me a few minutes to do it, especially with a bent bait dropper. Right, we're going to put about 20 boilies at a time out. This it's old carp what I've got, old fixed spool reel and braided line. So we'll get the bait out. let it sink, hit the bottom, and just give it a tug. Okay, so I've bait dropped a kilo of boilies in this spot. I'm well away from everybody else, so I'm not interfering with anybody. I think the nearest angler to here is about 400 yards away, so I'm not going to interfere with this fishing. I'm going to go home now, have some tea, get a bath, get my gear ready, stick it in the car, and tomorrow when I finish work at 2, I'll be straight here and see if I can catch a barbel, so we can get lucky and get a video on. Right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Nettle sting. Right, it's following day, it's Sunday, 16th today. I've come here straight from work. I'm going to try and catch a barbel. Hopefully the fish got on the boilers I put in yesterday. So we'll see if we can get lucky and get one. There's nobody here today, everybody's gone home. There were 6 cars at the car park yesterday, now all gone. So we got it to ourselves today. To be fair, like I say, yesterday we were probably 400 yards from the nearest fisherman where we are here. It's quite a walk. So right, we'll see if we can catch one. £1 one. So whatever this way, knock off £1 one. I reckon she's a double. Yeah. 12-3, 1-1, it's 11-2. Okay, I had to put the camera up because it was getting wet through with the dew as the night drew in, but £11 2 ounces, I'm made up with that. Right, I'm going to get this fish rested and get it back and chuck it out again, see if I can snag another. But what a scrap. Right, awesome. Ah, yes. Yes. Oh, it's made me week. It's made me month. No, it's made me year. You'll get a bigger one now. Hey. So this cracking chub, £5 1 ounce. Well, it's been a good session really. I've had 2 bites and 2 really good fish, so I'm going to wrap it up now, get off on work tomorrow, but roll up next session. Right, until next time, tight lines.